Today we're making 3-ingredient cereal bars. You're going to need a 1.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/3 cup of peanut butter, and let me look at the recipe, a cup of cereal. You can use really any cereal you want, Rice Krispies, or I'm using Golden Grahams because that's what my mama used. So let's get to it. We're going to take the 1.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You could use milk chocolate, you could use dark chocolate, it's your choice. The 1/3 cup of peanut butter. And what we're going to do, we're not even going to use the oven. We're going to just pop this in the microwave at 30-second intervals and until it's all melted. So let's get to that. Okay, so that took me 1.5 minutes, and I have the melted semi-sweet chocolate chips and the peanut butter. Now what we're going to do, and I'm not sure if I can mix it in this, we'll see, the 1 cup of your cereal, and we're just going to incorporate that ever so gently so we don't make a mess. We're going to coat those Golden Grahams. And this really took no time at all. It's a quick little cereal treat. My mom used to make it, and I just thought it was delicious because, of course, it's chocolate and sugar. You can't go wrong. You know what? I got a lot of chocolate there. I'm thinking I'm going to add a couple more bits of cereal. So you edit it to your liking. Rice Krispies would make it taste kind of like the Nestle Crunch. Kind of. Alright, we're gonna, yes. Alright, now we're going to put it in a lined container. Okay, I've got my lined pan. I used some parchment paper, and we're just going to pour that all in. Maybe I'm making it so you can't see what I'm doing. There we go. And to my remembering, you can make this as thin or as thick as you wish. See if you can see what I'm doing here. And these will get you in trouble because they are so good. Chocolate peanut butter cereal. Just, I'm going to say it, stupid delicious. Alright. So if you can see that, now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and probably about 30 minutes just so it can all harden up. And then we'll meet back here. All right, I decided to put them in the freezer for 20 minutes because I wanted to get it going. I wanted to see what they came out like. I've made them before, but you know, when you do something on camera, it never seems to turn out, right? All right, so we got this little block of cereal goodness here. Are you seeing that? Yeah. Oh man. And then you just cut them into the size you desire. Okay, we'll do. And then you can store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator I believe you could set them out because I don't remember us ever putting them in the refrigerator. But being they're chocolate and peanut butter, go ahead and put them in the refrigerator. So now next, let's see my reaction. Okay, I've had these before, so I know what they're going to taste like. But you have the chocolate, the peanut butter, the cereal. Oh boy. Here we go. It's going in. Hold on, I have no chocolate on me. Good. And we're going to take another bite. Chocolate's going to get all over. That's just how it is. Yep. That is a good cereal bar. So, that's my mama's cereal bars. Have a good day, and I appreciate you staying with me.